Hi there, I've built thousands of backlinks for my clients over these 17 odd years of experience. And trust me when I say this, there are a lot of myths that need to be busted before your small business can top the ranking charts on Google and other search engines. Seriously, the frustration I get after listening to some garbage advice on backlinks is immense, and that is the driving force behind why I am here to debunk this topic and help you secure better rankings and save thousands of dollars spent on links that either don't work or worse, push the rankings even lower. So, there are 4 backlink myths that are seriously killing your SEO and what you should do instead to beat your competitors. Understand that I personally use these strategies for my own sites and for my clients. So be sure to note them down. Let's start with number 1 myth, which is you need a lot of backlinks, probably thousands to outrank. Now, whenever you look for your competitors on Ahrefs or SEMrush, and I know for sure that you see them having over 50,000 backlinks or 10,000 backlinks, this instantly sends a message to you that I am screwed and there's no way I can compete with that. But the truth is very simple here. Most pages that rank for the first page have only 10 to 40 backlinks or even fewer. I'm seriously not making it up. We've ranked client sites for hundreds of keywords by making somewhere between 4 to 8 backlinks per month. The game here is not about the number, but the quality and relevance of those links, which means 10-digit backlinks from authoritative sites in your niche can destroy 100 random backlinks from sites that don't serve your niche. So stop stressing over those 200 backlinks that your competitors have, because only 5 super authoritative backlinks can provide you enough link juice for better rankings. So my advice to you would be, don't chase the numbers. Run after quality and relevance. That will be all that you need. Myth number 2. All backlinks are good. People think and fool others by saying any backlink from anywhere is good for rankings. But the truth is, low quality and irrelevant backlinks can actually push you backlinks from Fiverr to 10 to 15 bucks, and now my site has disappeared. What happened here is Google saw what you were doing and now they have penalized you. All those who practice these things need to understand that Google is very, very smart. They know when you're trying to bypass the system. And if you're getting links from spammy sites like random block networks, sketchy directories, or sites that have nothing to do with your business. If that's your case, try getting backlinks from reputable, relevant, contextual websites. A simple example is that we had a dental practitioner and we tried our level best to acquire backlinks from health blogs and local news sites. This soon helped them secure a ranking they were far from at the start of our partnership. Now, coming to number 3, we have backlinks that work instantly. Ha ha ha. I wished what I just said was true. That would make my life much easier. But sadly, that doesn't happen. I've said it several times. SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. And backlinks are no different. What happens when you create a backlink is Google first finds that backlink, then it indexes it. Later, recrawling occurs on your site again to understand the context better. And lastly, it may or may not adjust your rankings again. This reshuffling of rankings can take a full month before showing any movement. So don't panic if you do not see any results within the first few weeks of building quality backlinks. Just keep going as it takes time. Generally, up to 2 to 3 months of consistent link building efforts. So get yourself back to work and find some relevant sources for your niche. And lastly, myth number 4, no follow links does not matter. So every SEO agent should know that there are two main types of backlinks, do follow and no follow. In do follow links, the link quality is passed on to the cited website and that directly affects your ranking. However, in no follow links, link equity is not passed on. But in reality, no follow links still bring brand signals and real traffic. A natural backlink profile consists both types of links. Only having do follow links seems like manipulation to Google. No follow links coming from social media, Wikipedia and major news are some of the most powerful brand building opportunities you can get. A news publication providing a do not follow link is one of the most authentic backlinks you can get. Additionally, even Google sees that as a signal and understands that people are talking about you. So don't ignore high authority no follow opportunities just because they don't pass on the link juice. Build both, mix it up and keep it natural. Alright, so that's all from my side and I hope you understood how backlinks work for any business. Comment down what you want to learn next and we'll try to create a high authority relevant backlink profile. Contact Softtrix through any of the opportunities present on the screen. Thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.